through here? To the left? I gotta the angle is safe. This is where Roberto gets his phone out. It says, yeah, go ahead, it's fine.
I just got brought it.
Let me see.
This way.
Yeah, this looks good. Up here. I say somebody with a 2-cycle goes first. I'll go. It doesn't look that bad. Well, yeah, we say that, but it really doesn't look that bad. Yeah, the way I was gonna go was screwed, because right on the other side of that ledge, there's like these big rocks like that. I don't think I could get my front end straight over, because you can't see them from here, but they're right where you drop. Yeah. Right where you drop in. I ordered a battery and got the wrong size, so now I got to kickstart this thing every time. That's why I'm not shutting it off. Roberto likes to get those crashes perfect. You're gonna kill me, Roberto!